Hi everyone!
Hi everyone! Dori from Daytona Beach, Florida, from the
hey.
Mastermind meeting.
Hey team! I just wanted to say I'm very excited. Thank you. I'm here and very grateful for Dori and then for you guys to have me here, allow me to come and then learn. Lots of things I've learned I want to share with you. And what do you think we should start?
First of all, I want to say hello, Spa Mariana team. I love you guys. You're doing a great job, but you know what? You can be doing a lot better. So as we went through the meeting today, I found out that there are some people that have not implemented everything that we usually teach. And I just wanted to give you a little nudge to start doing some of these things so you can just make your performance absolutely soar. So Maciek is gonna come back to you. We're gonna refocus on implementing the pride system. You have got to do that. As a matter of fact, somebody here that was attending was just sharing with the group from Blue Halo Med Spa. They increased their retail sales by 40% by applying the pride system. So I really want you to revisit it, go ahead and role play, set some new goals, and truly tap into the opportunities that you have. And Maciek is gonna be there to help walk you through it. The other thing we really want to focus on is doing a proper consultation. Some of the team here, again, that was here, they were sharing how that totally transformed their business. And if we take the time to do a proper consultations and really give the people what they need, then they're going to come back to you more often and increase your retention rate. So that's very, very important. And you know what? Just delivering a great guest experience, getting the people to just say, wow, I love Spa Mariana, and be able to come back to you over and over and over. Because here's the fact, you can have the most beautiful place, but what truly makes the place is you. You guys are what count. So you really need to help Maciek start implementing these wonderful things that we teach, so I can get that email saying we broke records. That's what I want for you, and that's what I want for Maciek. So let's do it.
Yes,
Ready,
let's
team?
do it.
Let's
Yes, do it. That's fine. Thank you
Go
so much.
all the way. God
everything.
bless. Until next time, stay inspired.
All right. See you guys soon.